If someone asked me today what I believe is still one of the best side hustles available for regular people, not celebrities, not trust fund kids, not people with giant connection, just normal people trying to build something extra on nights and weekends, I would still say YouTube. And I know some people will instantly disagree. They'll say it's too late, too crowded. They'll say the platform is saturated. They'll say only giant creators make money right now. But the truth is, most people completely misunderstand what YouTube actually is and what it can become when somebody is willing to take it seriously. A lot of people think YouTube is only entertainment. They think it's prank videos, giant creators, flashy studios, expensive setups, and viral nonsense. They think it's a lottery ticket where only a lucky few win. But YouTube, when understood correctly, is much bigger than that. YouTube is media ownership. YouTube is leverage. It's digital real estate. YouTube is a searchable library of assets continue working for you long after the day you upload them. And that is why I still believe it may be the best side hustle that many people simply don't understand. What's going on, everybody? Eric here with the Influence Cattle. This channel is about helping regular people build real influence online through content, consistency, trust, and long-term thinking. Because I believe we're living in one of the few moments in history where an everyday person can build attention, trust, income, and opportunity directly from their phone or laptop. For generations, if you wanted to reach the heights of social media and media, you needed gatekeepers, you needed permission, you needed a company behind you. You needed somebody to choose you. Today, you can choose yourself. That is powerful, and most people will still underestimate what it means. Most side hustles trade time directly for money. You drive somewhere, complete a task, work a shift, deliver an item, or trade hours for dollars. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that type of honest work, but many traditional side hustles stop paying the second you stop working. YouTube can be very different. You can create one useful video on a Saturday afternoon that still gets views 6 months later. One tutorial can generate affiliate income for years. One helpful review can send traffic every month. One honest video can attract leads, customers, clients, or opportunities you never expected. That changes the entire equation. Think about that for one moment. You make a video today. Maybe it takes 3 hours. That video can help people next week, next month, or even next year. How many side hustles allow one video to keep working for years later? How many side hustles allow one afternoon of work to keep producing value later? That's why I call content leverage. It is work done once that can continue paying multiple times. And most people don't understand the compounding power of content. They look at a creator making money today and only see the result. They don't see the 200 videos behind. They don't see the nights work after nights work and editing and all the things they do. The weekend spent learning thumbnails, titles, audience hooks, psychology. They don't see the years of consistency. They don't see the library of assets now working around. Every video becomes another door into your world, another chance to be discovered, and another opportunity for some to trust you. It's another piece of media helping you while you're sleeping, working, traveling, and living life. And if this kind of real world advice helps you, go ahead and hit subscribe to the Influence Catalyst channel, because this is a channel for regular people who want to build something meaningful online instead of only watching everybody else. Another reason YouTube is misunderstood is because people think the only money available is ad revenue. They hear creators mention monetization and assume it begins and ends with ads. But ads are only one lane. A smaller content creator with the right audience can earn through affiliate links, digital products, consulting, sponsorships, and later on, even memberships and coaching and local leads or partnerships. A modest audience with a strong trust can outperform a giant audience with weak connection. And that is something that many people never fully realize. 10,000 random viewers are not always more valuable than 1,000 targeted viewers who trust you. If you help people solve real problems, review products honestly, teach valuable skills, or guide people through important decisions, your audience can become highly valuable. Not because they're numbers on a screen, but because they're real people with real needs and real buying behavior. That is why certain niches quietly win big, while flashy, entertaining channels often struggle to convert attention to income. Another reason YouTube can be such a strong side hustle is because it builds without you having to build it constantly. Many people begin with zero confidence on camera. They hate hearing their own voice, they feel awkward, they overthink every sentence, and they get uncomfortable being seen on camera. Then 6 months later, they communicate better, speak more clearly, have more confidence, and carry themselves differently. You're not only building a channel, you're building skills that transfer to the rest of your life. Communications improve, sales ability improve, marketing, storytelling, discipline, confidence. A person who learns to speak clearly on camera often becomes stronger in meetings, interviews, networking, customer relations, and in everyday life. That means YouTube can pay you financially while also paying personal. Let's also be honest about why so many people dismiss it. Many people only respect opportunities they already understand. If someone says they mow lawns on the weekends for extra money, people nod. If someone says they flip products online or says they drive for extra income, they nod. But if somebody says they make YouTube videos, people smirk. They think it's a joke. Then, if it works later, they suddenly understand. That's how many opportunities look in the early stages. Strange before they become successful. They're only obvious afterward. Another thing people miss, that you don't need to become some fake internet personality. You don't need rented cars, fake lifestyles, expensive sets, or goofy gimmicks. Many creators are succeeding simply by being useful, honest, entertaining, or related. Some strong channels are built by normal people filming in garages, kitchens, bedrooms, offices, in their truck, in their backyard, in their workshop. That should encourage you. That should encourage everyone, because it means the barrier to entry is lower than you think. Now, let me be real with you. It's not easy money. It takes work, consistent. You have to learn titles, thumbnails, hooks, pacing, and audience psychology. It takes pushing through the slow season, proving while you're invisible. That part is, but difficult doesn't mean bad. Many of the best opportunities in life are misunderstood because they require delayed gratification, and delayed gratification is something many struggle with. That's exactly why YouTube remains powerful. Plant now, water now, you improve now, growth often shows later. Most people want same-day results, same week money, instant applause, and immediate proof that their effort matters. When that doesn't happen, they quit and declare the opportunity dead. Meanwhile, patient people keep uploading, keep learning, keep refining, and slowly build something valuable in the background. That is why I believe YouTube is still one of the best side hustles that nobody understands. If you can start small, you can make it fit around a full-time job. It can grow over time and can create multiple income streams. It can build confidence, create opportunity, and become a real business. And it can outlast temporary gigs. It can introduce you to a stronger version of yourself if you stay with it long enough. Imagine spending 1 year creating instead of only consuming. Imagine using nights and weekends to build asset instead of only scrolling. Imagine where 12 extra months of consistency could put you. That's where many people miss the bigger picture. They think they're choosing between YouTube and doing nothing. They're actually choosing between building something or letting another year quietly disappear. So no, I don't believe YouTube is dead. I believe excuses are alive. I believe fear is alive. And I believe impatience is alive. I believe people underestimate what consistency can do when stacked over time. If I were starting fresh today and wanted a side hustle with upside, flexibility, creativity, and skill development, also long-term potential, YouTube would still be near the top of my list. Not because it's magic, not because it's easy, and not because everybody wins, but because it rewards builders. It rewards patience and people willing to learn skills during private sessions. And if that sounds like you, then maybe the side hustle most people misunderstand could become the opportunity that changes your future. I'm Eric, and this is the Influence Catalyst. And if you haven't seen this video, go ahead and check this out, because this could be the one that starts your life-changing journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.